I am a senior fellow at the Brookings Institution. I direct their Center for Universal Education, where we do policy and practitioner-oriented research that advances the UN Sustainable Development Goal, which at the moment is really about creating equitable education systems everywhere that give young people the opportunity to develop lifelong learning skills and become lifelong learners. We work across approximately 40 countries and share lessons across borders and really think about how education systems can do better for kids. The two things that I use absolutely every day based on my training at Teachers College, it's asking really good questions and thinking very critically about what is presented. Learning about, from Maxine Green, this concept of wide awakeness, that it's easy to get swept away with broad narratives and ignore what's really happening. And I have been, as best I can, a really keen observer for what really is going on. One of the things I have learned in my academic career is how to debate different perspectives and not be afraid and really listen and hear where people are coming from, figure out where their evidence is, what they're talking about, what their motivations are, and interrogate that and engage with that and sit with that for a long time. I think we are more and more afraid to do that type of deep dialogue in our country and in our society. And I think that's part of what I'm very committed to doing and what I think we need to do more of.